Grand Rising. Welcome to the channel Excellence, where we strive for excellence. We strive to be one better than we were yesterday. Now rise and shine. See, we have to get up early in the morning and get out in the heart of nature and give praise and thanks. See, I rise. See, Allah, the Father of the universe, the Father of love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Allah is my protector, my guide, and my salvation, by night and by day, through his holy prophet, true Ali, amen. See, you come outside in the heart of nature, look at the star and the caressing in the sky, feel life. Breathe in that fresh air. See, I was born with a bronchial cleft cyst. I don't breathe like normal people breathe. My energy has always went straight up both nostrils. Energy on both sides of the brain. That was the difference in the birth. Everybody wasn't birthed the same way because everybody didn't have the same nurturing in the womb. Universal consciousness is magical, mystical, and mysterious. That's why they still haven't found out how they built the pyramids yet. Life of man is remembering his past life and his present karma. It is a deep thing when you have to live your past life and your present karma at the same time. See, that's a test. That's why they say do unto others as you would have them do unto you, because that's your present karma. See, you are only here to correct your DNA and to raise yourself to excellence so that you will be excellent. A time has come where everybody must come into their own, unto their own self, and be who they were meant to be, and not these puppets on the string, controlled by puppet masters. See, a lot of us have been trained to be puppet masters. It's a beautiful day we've been blessed with. Let's use it wisely and not foolishly. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. And have a blessed day. Feels so good. In nature. I'm out.